Welcome to Phoseon Technology. I'm Kayla and I'll be giving you a demonstration of our KeyPro technology. The decontamination chamber contains the ultraviolet light from an LED array that emits through the window. A shelf allows the user to place laboratory equipment underneath the emitting window to allow the desired level of exposure. The touchscreen control panel allows the user to program and save decontamination protocols, monitor progress of an active cycle, recall cycle history, and determine system status. Touch the protocol field on the home screen to access the protocol selection screen. Choose an existing protocol or touch the plus button to add a new protocol. Once a protocol is highlighted, touch the select button and you will be returned to the home screen. Touch the plate ID and enter a unique identifier. If the equipment you are decontaminating does not have a label or other unique ID, enter other information that will allow you to find this decontamination cycle in the history list. Once both a protocol and plate ID are entered, the Start button will be enabled. Select the Start button to begin the decontamination cycle. To add a new protocol, go to the Protocol Editor screen and enter a name for the protocol. Set a runtime in minutes and seconds, minimum of 30 seconds, and maximum of 20 minutes. Set the intensity by % for one or both channels. The irradiance information is available next to the wavelength intensity programming and is for information only. Once the name, time, and at least one intensity level is programmed, then the protocol can be saved by touching the Save button. To recall previous scans, select the History button at the bottom of the home screen. This page will show you all of the different parameters of the scan, including whether the lamp was calibrated or not. To clean the KeyPro decontamination system, use any non-abrasive laboratory cleaner and a new or clean lint-free absorbent towel. If you clean the emitting window, make sure you use either pure, deionized, or HPLC water, or HPLC grade ethanol. The microplate stage is an accessory meant to stabilize and center microplates in the KeyPro chamber while lightly pressing the plate against the emitting window. This ensures the maximum intensity of UV light delivered to the microplate being decontaminated, regardless of plate height. The shelf can be inserted into precise grooves on either side of the chamber at 4 mm increments, measured from the emitting window. There's also a ruler guide on the back surface of the chamber to allow the user to visualize the distance of the target surface from the emitting window. Place the microplate on the stage with the alignment pins in the corners or bracketing the outside for unskirted plates. Find the highest shelf height that allows free insertion without compression of the stage. Realign the shelf height to 1 slot higher. Press down on the wings of the top section of the tray so that the top of the microplate is below the top of the chamber. Then push the shelf and the microplate into the chamber until the shelf is fully inserted, making sure the alignment guides stop against the back of the chamber. The shelf allows the user to place laboratory equipment such as microplates, flasks, or slides, or petri dishes underneath the emitting window at the appropriate height to allow the desired level of exposure. For example, here's how we insert a 100 milliliter beaker.